Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare whole wheat eggless banana cake. So for this I have smashed 3 medium sized bananas, and along with this I am going to add half a cup curd, mash the bananas thoroughly, and half a cup sugar. I have grinded the sugar into powder and I am going to add these, and along with this I am going to add quarter cup or 3 tablespoons of oil. I am approximately adding the oil. 3 tablespoons is the measurement. Now mix this well. I have mixed the contents well. Now I am going to add 1 cup of wheat flour to it. I have completely sieved the wheat flour and I am adding it, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add half a cup milk to it. First add little, give it a mix, then we are going to add the rest of the milk. Now I am going to add the rest of the milk and beat it thoroughly. I have mixed everything well. It should be in this consistency. If you don't get this consistency, if it is little tight, you can add little more milk also to bring it to this consistency. Now we are going to bake this mixture. Now to this mixture I am going to add chopped cashew nuts. Dry fruits are of your option. You can even add choco chips if you have. So I'll mix it. I have preheated a pan in a high flame, and then now I'm going to simmer it. I've kept a stand on this so that we can keep the mixture on top of the stand. I've taken a baking tray like this. I've greased it before and sprinkled it with flour so that the cake doesn't stick to the bottom. I have sprinkled wheat flour. Now I'm going to transfer the cake batter into this baking tray. I have transferred the contents into this baking tray. Don't fill it fully, let it be up to the half. Now I am going to keep it in the pan which I have heated, and then I am going to close it with a lid. I am going to close it with a lid like this, simmer the stove and let it cook for half an hour to 45 minutes. After half an hour, I am going to check whether it is done or not. I'll just poke it with a knife and check. If it is not sticking, it means it is done. So I'll remove the cake and then I'll show you. I have removed the cake from the cake tray, and now I am going to apply chocolate sauce on top of it, and then I am going to serve it. I have applied chocolate sauce on top of the cake and I have cut it. You can see how it has come. Hope you liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you up with another video.